How you doing? My name is TreniuS Henderson. You're tuned into the infamous Living Room Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're doing right. Thank you so much for tuning in, folks. I'm TreniuS Henderson, your life coach. What I do is teach people how the law of attraction works and how to manifest things into your life faster. Okay, so I'm about to talk to you about some real serious stuff. I just actually thought about this today, and that is that the law of attraction could be very, very, very dangerous. Not a lot of people know the power of words. You know, some people don't even realize that they're like talking down on their life. It just dawned on me it could be dangerous for people who actually know how to use the law of attraction too. You know what I mean? And why is that, TreniuS? Simply because you could be saying things, you know, you can put it like this. You're going to go through a phase, okay? When you first learn about the law of attraction, you're going to go through a phase where it's like, okay, so that is how I rewire my brain and switch up the things that are attracting to my life by switching up the things that I say. And then you're going to learn about like keywords like I am, I will, I can, and then you have to like plug those keywords into like every sentence that you use every single day for the rest of the days of your life in order to like attract something. But it's like you're gonna be making mistakes by not doing it at the same time. And if you get to that point on your journey, you know, you become aware like, dang, man, I just really talked myself out of like $500 right there. So, you know, on your journey, on your law of attraction journey where you're manifesting things in your life, you're gonna come to the awareness that, hey, I'm still messing up. You know, my figure of speech is not right. I mean, I'm even like that still to this day because I be making up, like I make up words. You know, my rhetoric is not great at all, you know, and you don't have to be like an expert speaker when using the secret law of attraction, like when you're saying things, but you do have to be aware that words like I am, I can, I am going to, like these are action words, you know, that create action in your life. That it makes things move. Like our words literally makes things move. It is the creator of the future of your reality. Everything that you're saying right now is creating the future. It's only the past that we cannot change. It's so dangerous, yo. Like, it's so dangerous. Like, your very own self-image of how you see yourself is how other people see you. I mean, when I first started learning about the law of attraction, I did not know how the law of attract as fast as I law of attract today. Basically, I know how to use it, but it's like you're learning new things every day. You know, I'm seeing things manifest into my life faster than like 2 years ago when I first learned about the law of attraction. You know, like I could be around people and we could be having a conversation about whatever is going on in the moment or whatever we're doing, and I just say something that is like way beyond their heads and they be like, huh? But at the same time, I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. I know that I'm speaking things into existence because everybody's not gonna understand it. You're gonna have people around you who are dangerously attracting things into their life and they have no idea that they're doing it. They're totally unconscious, they're oblivious. They're putting thoughts into their subconscious mind, which is creating their actions and their behaviors. I mean, they have no clue that they are dangerously using the law of attraction. When you start to realize that you can speak things into existence and you can shift your reality by speaking your very own words into existence, it's like you start to like get good at it. And it makes you really happy because you start to see things manifest into your life more faster. I mean, come on, man. If you know that you're like creating things like by speaking things and you like keep seeing it happen back to back to back to back to back, listen, it's only gonna raise your vibration and it's gonna raise your level of gratitude, which is what you need to attract abundance. A lot of people cannot attract abundance and the money that they want in their life because they don't have enough gratitude about the things that they have around it. It's just like having an apartment. Okay, you want to upgrade and get a house, but are you grateful for the things that you have in the apartment? Are you cleaning your shower out? You know, are you taking the trash out? Are you washing the dishes? Are you making sure your refrigerator is clean? You want that new Samsung refrigerator, but the old refrigerator looks like garbage. You know what I mean? You got to make sure that you have gratitude for everything around you. Even if you have a like old beat up car and you want to upgrade and get you something like a Mercedes or something, you got to take care of that car. You know, you have to take care of all the things that you currently have as though it's like the best thing ever. And then the universe will give you more that, you know, with the law of attraction because you're on the frequency of gratitude, you know. And so that's why it's very important to like make sure that your mood stays extremely high every single day, and your mood will begin to go upward, and you're gonna feel more better, you know, as time progresses, because like I said, you'll begin to see your manifestations come into like your existing reality, you know. And there's nothing in the world that makes you more happy to know that whatever you want for yourself, you can rightfully have if you stay in a level of gratitude. And it makes you wake up every day and you're like, man, I'm happy just to be happy. You know what I mean? Like when you can just be happy for no reason, when you can just be happy for no reason because you're living a good life, because life is good right now. When you can just be happy like that, that sends so much positive energy out into the universe, where it's like the universe started to give you more. People that are using the law of attraction unconsciously, dangerously, you know. And so, you know, the more you continuously use the law of attraction and you stay in like this frequency of gratitude, the more it's like things just come to you. Things just come to you every single day. Like even like praising other people, man, you can get so much energy, like if you just like are very happy for other people that are succeeding. When you see successful people around you, be happy that they're succeeding, be happy that they're successful, celebrate with them. So it's all around us, like the chances for attracting money, the chances for success and being a better person, like leveling up every single day. The chances and opportunities present themselves to us every single day. And all we have to do is just go outside and just open the door for somebody. Tell somebody thank you. Like when you get your food at the restaurant, just say thank you. You know what? Just say thank you to the people that's at the cash register. Like, thank you so much for making my food. I really thank you. You made my food. And the universe is like, okay, this person has gratitude for like even receiving food from Chick-fil-A. Okay, we're gonna get them some money so they can come back to Chick-fil-A again another day. Like, I'm just saying, everything is in connection. You know what I mean? And so if you can stay in a habit of using the law of attraction consciously and consciously being aware of the words that you're saying every second that you're saying them, like speaking things into the universe and know that it's going to come back to you, you won't be using the law of attraction dangerously. Okay, so people that are using the law of attraction dangerously, only thing you can do is just kind of like just pray for them and hope that they will eventually change. You know, I know from time to time I see friends around me or whatever who are using the law of attraction dangerously, and it's really nothing I could do but like be a beacon of light for that person, because you can't change nobody. Like no matter what you try to do, people can only change within themselves and make the decision to change, you know, for themselves. So when you're around people and you see them using the law of attraction dangerously and they don't realize it, it's okay. Just continue to be a role model, be a beacon of light, be that light bearer, be that light in dark places. You know what I'm saying? So this is how you use the law of attraction in a healthy way, okay, versus a dangerous way. All right, so thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this message resonated with you folks. I'm TreniuS Henderson of the Infamous Living Room Network. Press thumbs up on this video if it resonated with you, and make sure you subscribe up here by clicking my icon. That's me. Click that little wink symbol wherever it is, somewhere over there. In the meantime, check out this video right here. This is another similar video to this one. I'm pretty sure you'll like that video as well. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.